I'm Joel, and this is our power front disc brake conversion kit for 1964.5 to 66 Ford Mustangs with the factory manual transmission. It's part number FC0001-H405MX. And this kit comes complete with everything needed to install cross-drilled and slotted rotors to the original drum brake spindles currently on your car. Install is easy with only slight modification to the firewall required. Now, let's take a closer look at what's included with this kit. You'll receive the install instructions, a 1-inch bore dual-bowl master cylinder, and a 7-inch power brake booster, as well as the brake lines necessary to route from the new master cylinder to the factory 3-port distribution block, and a union which will be installed to your rear brake line with the hardline supply. This kit utilizes our MaxGrip XDS 11-inch rotors and zinc-plated cast iron 4-piston calipers with stainless steel pistons. You'll also receive the dust shields, mounting brackets, hardware, and all brake lines needed to complete the install. Search part number FC0001-H405MX on our site for additional fitment and application notes. If you've got an aftermarket cable style clutch, check out our kit FC0001-H405AX. Like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Lead Brakes, where you can share photos and videos of your ride with us by using #ForTheWidePedal.